Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, we have a total of two odds for you on our two odds series. So guys, let's make some money. Okay, before we unveil today's game, I want to say congratulations to everyone that played yesterday two odds. We've been successful for the past 2 weeks now. So if you have not joined, kindly join this amazing program. It's going to run from now till August 10 for free. So I'll be dropping to us on daily basis here until August 10 when the new football season will resume fully. Okay, guys. Congratulations and let's try and make some money. I want to share a strategy that I use or I think is profitable for every one of you. If you are using these two odds, and it's better you stake a bit high because if you stake high, you'll be able to make a good return on your investment. Let's just assume that you stake at least 5,000 every day on our two odds, and when you stake 5,000 naira you return 100%, and then that will be 10,000 naira. So what you keep the 5,000 naira profit, the next day you stake again with 5,000 naira, continue like that, and then you keep the profit, and at the end of the month you'll be able to make over 150k or less, which is above a minimum wage. And I believe if you try this strategy, it will be helpful for you, and if you can stake higher, better. But I believe the minimum you should use to stake is 5,000 naira, so that you will gain reasonable profit at the end of the day. Okay, guys. We are here to provide you with variable insight, and then give you a strategy on how to create wealth online. And we are focusing on sport betting, which has been profitable for us. And then we believe that when the new season begins, I will do more for everyone in this channel. So kindly support us by liking this video, and then comment where you are watching from, so that this channel can grow. And also when you do that, YouTube will circulate this video to everyone possible, so that your friends and colleagues can also see and benefit in this program. Okay, guys, our first game today is in the Europa Champions League qualifier, where Breidablik is taking on Shamrock Rovers, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. Let's get that in the basket. Under 3.5 goals. Then the second game on our list today, still in this Champions League qualifier, where Bet Borisov is taking on Partizani Tirana, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time at the odd of 1.21. So far we've been able to generate 1.5 odds. Okay, guys, as you know, VIP is still ongoing, and then if you want to get 1.5 to 20 odds on daily basis, kindly check the description and comment section. I will drop my WhatsApp link. Chat me up. It's a paid service. It's not free, but it's a token. The subscription fee is not that high, so check the comment area. You see my WhatsApp and chat me up. Please do not come and ask for free games. I will post free games on our Telegram and this YouTube channel. And if you are interested in joining our Telegram channel, which we have so many good punters have been dropping good prediction on daily basis, I kindly check the comment section. I'll also drop the link to our Telegram channel in the description and comment section. Okay, guys, moving on. The last game on our list is still in the UEFA Champions League qualifier, where Sheriff Tiraspol is taking on Farouk Constanza, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. When you check out these 3 predictions, it gives us a total of 1.92 odds. But when I booked this game later in the afternoon, it was over 2 odds. So the others drop. I believe before you play, it might increase again to 2 odds plus. But if you want to add, I can also add this game which FC Struga Trim is taking on Vilnius FK Zagreb. Same in that UEFA Champions League qualifier. I can put this game on the 4.5 goals at the odd of 1.05. That will give you a total of 2 odds if you want to play it like that. Okay, guys, that's all. A total of 2.1 odds. So let's say you stake 10,000 naira in this match, you get a return of 20,900 naira. Okay, guys, good luck, and let me book this game for those people using Sportybet. The Sportybet code is A6B13D40. Okay, guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to know when we drop a new content. In this channel, we drop tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different market, from full-time draw, how to predict over 1.5, how to predict both teams to score, how to predict correct score, and how to predict halftime, full-time, and a lot more. Okay, guys, we also share tutorial videos on how to trade cryptocurrency and how to invest in stocks. I believe as time goes on, we'll get more value in this channel on how to create wealth in different sphere of life. Okay, guys, thank you for staying tuned. See you tomorrow in our next video. Kindly share this YouTube channel to your friends on other social media accounts like Facebook and Twitter. For those of you using Twitter with large audience, I appeal to you, please kindly retweet this channel link so that your followers can also benefit from this program. Thank you for staying tuned once again, and see you